Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change font style on Peacock TV. To change font style on Peacock TV, first of all, open up your web browser. Go ahead and type in peacocktv.com in the URL box and search. Make sure to sign into your Peacock TV account, and then after you are in, select a TV show or a movie that you want to play. After loading up a show or a movie, and after it starts playing, click on the speech bubble icon at the bottom left corner. Right next to subtitle, click on Edit Style. And now, under Style Presets, select the font style that you want to preview for the content that you are playing. This will change the font style for your captions. After selecting one of these styles, click on Apply, and the selected presets will be applied as your subtitles font style. That is how you easily change your font style on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.